Experiencing issues with your Simple Mobile Moxee Hotspot? This video covers the key solutions: APN configuration, firmware updates, and factory resets. These steps address most connectivity, speed, and stability problems. Let's start by understanding what these solutions are and when to use them. Problems often stem from network incompatibilities, software bugs, or incorrect settings. We'll break down each fix step by step to get you back online quickly. First up is your APN settings. Let's dive into each solution. First, APN, Access Point Name Settings. The correct APN allows your hotspot to connect to Simple Mobile's network. The standard APN is Simple with MCC 310, MNC 260, and APN type default. Incorrect APN settings cause no internet errors. You can verify or edit these settings through the device's web interface, usually at 192.168.1.1. Next, firmware updates. These updates fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates in the Simple Mobile app, ensuring a stable internet connection during the update. Finally, the factory reset. This restores the hotspot to its original state, resolving software conflicts. Use the reset button or app menu and remember to back up your data first. By systematically trying these fixes, you can resolve most common Moxee hotspot issues. If problems persist, contacting Simple Mobile support is recommended.